Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to have a look around Maidenhead.
Maidenhead railway station is on the Elizabeth line, with 29 minutes approximately to London Paddington. And then as we walk down to the station, we've got the usual taxis, bus stop in front. And then the building across there used to be the UK headquarters for the mobile phone company 3, closed down a couple of years ago. That's been remodernised at the minute, but I believe the current builders have went bust. And across the road for the station you've got a travel lodge. And next to the travel lodge you've got an Eels, the beer garden to the side, and then straight in front where the black fence is, that was shops with flats above them. They knocked that down just before COVID as part of the multi-million-pound redevelopment. Obviously that went slow because COVID halted everything. They've got three new blocks of apartments or flats on top. So the old 3 building that are remodernising is going to end up looking like that. Just quite impressive. Then next to that, we've got a David Lloyd gym. You've got Middle Nation. Below the flats there's retail units to let. Haven't filled up yet, but hopefully as the town repopulates with the various accommodation builds, people will start to move in there. This has been a nightclub twice. I think it's closed down again. A new gourmet burger place. And then you've got the Odeon Lux Cinema. Where the black fence is there is a multi-storey car park for the shopping centre, which was taken down a couple of months ago. It's going to be rebuilt with remodernisation to the shopping centre. We've got Boots. Bakery still there. The Greggs, that's one of my favourites. I've not had a Greggs pasty for, I don't know, a long time. I done last week, $1.95 for a pasty. I'll not have many more of them. Oh, there's another new one. Wenzel's, bit of competition for Greggs. This one, another baker's. Lawrence, Maidenhead, another nice pub. Big beer garden at the back. Live music on the weekends. Yeah, another baker's. Four bakers within probably 50 yards of each other. Sports Direct, been there for a long time. You've got the local Witherspoons, the bear, pop in there occasionally. The normal Witherspoons characters in it. That's another bakery I forgot about. Quite pricey in there, but it's really nice. So this bit here, this is all part of the redevelopment as well. Which is, overlooks the river. A castle in the middle. I've got the Copper Bar, which is a kind of cocktail bar stroke restaurant below it. That's Sauce and Flour across the road. That's supposed to be a nice place. I haven't been in it yet. Bardo Lounge. That's another new one I've never seen before. And you've got Mayor apartments down there, some offices. Mayor apartments on the side there, the balconies overlooking the river. Pretty nice there. And then more new flats there. Again, looking onto the river. They look pretty nice actually. Oh look, some new shops popped up here. We're in here first. What's this one? Oh, presto. Italian street food. And marketing place for the flats. Really have no idea about these. A nice wee seating area down there, side the river. It looks like most of these apartments have been taken. The gym there. Indian kitchen and bar. Another one I never knew about. The tuk-tuk. Another new one. Tapas bar. These are all new since the last time I was in this town. See what's down here. We got a Pizza Express across the road. Been there for a long time. But I've never been in there. Fish restaurant and cocktail bar. This end in here. Fat Buddha. That's a really nice one. I've been in there but not for a while, but I will be doing restaurant reviews. And that'll definitely be one of them. It's a new one. El Paso, Moroccan and Lebanese cuisine. We'll cross here. See what we've got up here. Ridge Avenue. I've got a few shops in the sweep ahead. Chicken grill's closed. All the flats above. We've been there for a while. Polish shop. KFC. Papa John's Pizza. Nail Bar. Oh, and a Pizza Hut. If there's anything much to see in this way. So we'll head back up the way we've just came. I need to get myself down this part of town. Try out some of these new eating places. A better close up of the Copper Club. Nice in there. Mailboxes. That's like a post office box. Fashion gents tailors. Another nail bar. Pretty standard for our town centres, nail bars. They were just going up towards the library. But water feature going on there. We've got to the right hand side, you've got a Brazilian coffee bar. I've been on a couple of times. It's yeah, not bad. And again, this looks into the river. Got a bit of looks like a Colosseum with the arena in the middle, and all the seats are on the side. And there are flats across the road. And across to the library. Got the town hall. Yeah. Again, there's been new building work done up this way as well. Lots and lots of new flats, apartments, whatever you want to call them. And below they've got the retail premises up for let. Ones here are still empty. You see the ones across the road. See them been taken. A pizza place there. I know there was a lot of the local residents were complaining about all this remodernisation work and for these new flat apartment builds. And it was true what they were saying, it will have a knock-on effect with the traffic, doctors' appointments, schools will be, packed with pupils and things, but it was either do this or the town was really dying. I mean, 30 plus years ago when I moved to this area, I didn't live in Maidenhead, but I was lived close by, and I used to actually come to Maidenhead shopping because it was a bustling town. And then, as I say, it got to a stage where all the businesses were moving out the high street. But thankfully, they've spent a bit of money because there's nothing worse than seeing the town centres dying. I mean, it's happening all throughout the country. They get local people's concerns about the overpopulation and things are going to get really busy and all the rest of it, but better that than have a ghost town. We'll head back down to the town hall. I'm going to nip into the Brazilian coffee shop for a quick coffee. So I'll end this one here. Hopefully some of you have found that interesting. It's a new channel. I have got another channel that I'll not mention, but I have got another channel. This is just the first video in this one. So if you like the content, I'd appreciate a like, hopefully a subscribe, share it, and there will be similar ones to this coming out. I'll be doing town walks, local interest, travel. I go abroad quite a lot, so I'll be doing things on that, restaurant reviews, bit of cooking. So hopefully see you on the next one. Thank you, bye.